Good morning.
Wait. Good morning.
What are we doing today?
You see this box right here, right?
Yeah.
You probably heard it's rumbling, right?
Yeah, it's making noise. What's in there?
A real live and alive. A big bird that's alive.
What happened to that bird?
Well, if we go over there, but it might take a long time. There is bird poop on the window.
Yeah?
And the bird crashed onto it. And then the bird, oh, look over there.
They're waiting for their brother.
Yeah. But in here, there's a real alive baby bird.
So the bird hit the window, knocked himself out, and landed on the porch?
Yes, that's correct.
So he was unconscious and Daddy brought him in so you could see him?
Yeah, and now we're gonna let him free.
Okay. Dun da da. No, you gotta open the box. No, open both sides. You'll be okay. Nothing's gonna happen to you. Dun da da. Boogeyman.
Scared me.
Thank
You
you.
can still see him. He's still up there.
Where did he go?
He went into that tree, in that huge tree.
Yeah, there he is.
Jeez, that really startled me.
Did it scare you?
Yeah. Also, there's a bunch of bird poop too.
Bunch of bird poop?
Yeah, there's a bunch of bird poop in there.
Wow.
They must have pooped in that box.
Wow. That's stinky.
Okay, let's go. Let's go over here. Bird up there. And here's the bird. Over there.
Bang!
Hey.
Oh, I gotta clean that up.
So where did it land on the porch?
It was right there.
Right here?
Yep.
So it landed.
He was unconscious.
Oh.
He was sitting there, knocked out. He was DFO.
What does that mean?
Done fell out. Okay, you want to wrap it up for us?
Sure.
You what? What are those?
Those are the strawberries. I think this one's right. Yeah, I think it is.
Which one?
That big one.
Oh yeah, let's take this one. You know why you take them off and then the other ones can grow. So summarize today for us.
So we found a bird lay on the ground right there. And then we found the bird poop. And then Daddy put it in the box.
Yeah.
And my dad forgot to show me the bird in the box. So Daddy showed me it. And then we went outside. And then released the bird all the way up there. And yeah.
Can we put Lion Shark?
So what?
Can we put Lion Shark?
Sure.
Yeah, okay. And don't forget to
Subscribe.
do.
But wait. Today is a school day, so we might not be able right now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's an early release day.
Yay.
Okay.
1:33.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks, bros.
And I'll see you on Mindplex.
I see my eye in the
Wave.
Apple's logo.
Wave, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. But wait. Today on Tuesday, 6/2 something. Was it?
2015?
Yes. On June 2nd, 2015, I'll be on the Hypixel server, and you might see
What's your handle?
my name.
Yeah.
My username is Z4R3K, all in capital, and that's all.
Bye-bye.
It's short, but it's cool. So, anyways, bye!